Good people out there, welcome to this brand new video. In this video, we're gonna take a look on how to create an app iOS app icon on Play Store. So the one that's gonna feature on Play Store. So let's just follow along with me. As you can see, we're gonna use the Canva. So I've already logged in. You go to www.canvas.com. So you create an account there. It's free. Don't worry. So you just go to add your dimension. Go to custom dimension. You add the dimension here. We're gonna use the 1024. You click create. So you come here. Maybe if you want to use some of this video, you click and you drag and you drop. So but I'm not gonna use this image, so I'm gonna delete that one. Also delete. So I'm gonna upload my own icon. As I've already uploaded, just drag and I drop. So and then I try to modify it a little bit, like so, or maybe I can change the color like so. Whoa, like so, yeah. So then from there I'll just go to download menu, then I'll just download, preparing to download, continue editing, no. So that is it. Thank you guys. This is how you use Canvas to create your icon, and you can create your icon in any size. Like you can go here, you can go, you change all the you can, maybe you can put here like so, like 5 12, like so. Five 12, like so. So there, from there you just click create. That's how you do it. You can create an icon using this website for various dimensions. It doesn't matter. So thank you guys. Love and share this video. If you have any question, please post it down below. Until then, see you. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe. Let us keep moving. Thank you.